Hi, it's Amy with WTI. Are you looking for something fun to do with your family, friends, your kids? I've got just the thing for you. This is the PlamPlam LED flying disc. Our most favorite thing about this is that it lights up. It has 108 LEDs. This really sets it apart from other frisbees. This one can be used at night, which during the hot summer days is a great advantage. There are 4 lighting modes. The colors are vibrant and bright with the ability to adjust the brightness. The red, blue, and green colors can be individually selected, or there's even a setting where all 3 colors can be displayed at the same time. I love that it's rechargeable. You just plug it in here, a green light flashes, and in less than an hour, you're ready to go. It's very easy to catch and it's got a great feel to it. It gets my kids and their friends off of their indoor activities and outside in the fresh air for hours of exercise and laughter. This is a great gift for anyone that you know that enjoys some outdoor activity, with the added bonus of giving you a spectacular light show in the dark evening sky. I think you are going to love this as much as we do, and that's my point of view.